Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So your Prime Video login is tied to your Amazon account, so any changes to your email or password or anything else are done there. Okay, so first thing first, how to change your password or email. So let's start with password. Like go to Amazon account or your Prime Video. So you get in primevideo.com, you should get in your account. Okay, sign in, go to your icon here, profile icon, tap account and settings. Okay, so as you can see here, we have your details, change your name, email, mobile number, password, and more. You tap edit on Amazon. Okay, click edit. Okay, as you can see here, we have this page like login and security. You have your name, primary primary mobile number, so use any number. So this is not the original number, so any number that you can use in the Amazon or Prime Video. Okay, you have the email and you have the password. Okay, so you can edit here anything you want. For example, the password, you just click here and then you enter current password and new password and confirm new password and use a strong one. Okay, you verify and save, and you can also from here to change your email. Okay, just tap add and email or address. So anything you can change it, you will change it from here. Okay, after that you just tap add and enter the new address you want and confirm changes, and that's it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.